Understanding Open House, a guide for English language learners. Hello, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, open house. This term is commonly used but can be confusing for those new to the English language. Let's dive in and demystify what open house really means. Open house refers to an event where a building or residence is open to the public for viewing. This is most commonly used in the context of real estate, where a house that is for sale or rent is opened for potential buyers or renters to tour without an appointment. The concept of an open house has been around for decades, originating as a way for sellers to showcase properties to a large number of people. Today, it's a widespread practice in real estate around the world. The term can also apply to schools, companies, and other institutions that open their doors to the public for a special event. In many cultures, an open house is more than just a property viewing. It's an event, sometimes with refreshments and a host present to answer questions. In a broader sense, it represents transparency and hospitality. When attending an open house, it's important to be respectful of the property. It's also a great opportunity to ask questions and gather information. If you're hosting one, it's key to make the place presentable and welcoming. Apart from real estate, open house can refer to any event where an organization allows public access. Schools might have open houses for parents, and companies might host them for prospective employees. That's all about open house. We hope this video has helped clarify this term and its various uses. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every new phrase you learn is a step forward. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.